It's a new game of our game. Okay, we need this
Coins.
These coins. Push, 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 push. Push. We need to find these coins to get a 1 score. This score, high score, to get 20 points. Okay, let's start. You two, you need to find this coin.
This first, you freak.
Okay, now, this. Okay, what's now? You.
I think this.
Okay. The winner is Julian Marcus. Have a 1 point. Have a gun first. Okay. Now this.
Round 2.
Round 2. After round 20.
Round 20.
Yes. This is
Round 5.
because 20 points. Keep your nerve. Okay, now.
I'm 1 point.
This. Asan? Where? You. Okay, green 2, 2, 1. Okay. The next. You need to find this. Where? Dun, dun, dun. You win 3 points. You got 1 point. Okay.
I'm not
This
good
is-
enough here.
This is hardest game I've ever had. Did you hard?
What?
Did you hard this game?
No.
You. Hard. This is not bad. Okay, let's go. Next. What's next? Okay, now. Hey. You got the mist. Okay, next. There. Okay. If we, hey, you need to click this. Stop. Okay, this is now. This is now. Okay, because I need that to do because it's always time. Okay, now. Yes, chill. Now, that's it. Where? Yeah, you. Okay.
Yeah.
Ilan na sa akin?
You're friend.
You're not a Filipino.
Okay. You have 3.
Yeah, I'm
Five.
fine.
3.
Okay.
Okay, now this is last game. Where?
She's cheating. His
Not,
son is here.
not. I'm not. I'm,